Yo, what's up guys, I'm Yannick from the Produce School, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a stamped record style break. I will be doing my own twist on a kind of loopers inspired break, and I will show you some little tricks that will make your breaks more unique. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. And without further ado, let's get straight into this. The first thing I'm going to do is to start off with a bass line, and in a lot of loopers and stamped record style in general tracks you can hear a reeds bass which has a typical sound. It sounds like this. Really dirty, and you can create that easily with just two saws, detune them and put a filter on it, and that's basically it. And if you put a vocal on top of that, it sounds really great. Let's create a bass line in the piano roll. The bass lines in those breaks are not that complicated. Usually they stay just on one note, like this one on G3, or go up a few tones with some nice glide. So let's keep it like this. Maybe this note, and this sounds pretty deep and cool. And as you can hear, there is this sliding effect in this sound, and in Serum you can just easily do that by selecting mono legato and then turn up the portamento time to around 11 o'clock, so you get a nice glide. And let's automate the cutoff knob so it opens up later on in the break, like this. And just put it like this. For some more variation in the break, I'm going to use this synth grill, which is available in the stamp spec from us. Really cool sound with some reverb on it. So let's put it on G4 like this and put it before the break starts, so you get that really nice glidey kind of sound. On top of the bass line, I'm going to add this vocal, which sounds like this.
B-girls, B-boys, everybody, rock your body, rock the party. B-girls, B-boys, everybody, rock your body, rock the party.
Which almost sounds like a loopers track. The original vocal sounds like this.
B-girls, B-boys, everybody.
But I pitch it up a few semitones.
B-girls, B-boys, B-girls, B-boys, everybody, rock your body, rock the party.
Like that. So let's paste it over here.
B-girls, B-boys, everybody.
And in the part where the filter opens up, I'm going to add another layer of the vocal, which is the vocal but then pitched an octave down.
B-girls, B-boys, everybody, rock your body, rock the party. B-girls, B-boys, everybody, rock your body,
rock the party. B-girls, B-boys, everybody, the party. B-girls, the party. B-girls, B-boys, everybody, rock your body, rock the party. B-girls, B-boys, everybody.
And then I'm going to add a final layer for the vocal, which sounds like this. And I made this with a vocodex with a preset called Phase 2. Really cool sound. It stays on one note, which is the note from the bass line. And the third vocal together with the other vocal sounds like this.
B-girls, B-boys, everybody, rock your body, rock the party. B-girls, B-boys, everybody, rock your body, rock the party.
And adding a bass vocoder like this one can really help to add some more character to your vocal and give it some robotic vibes.
B-girls, B-boys, everybody, rock your body, rock the party. B-girls, B-boys, everybody, rock your body, rock the party. B-girls.
And the thing I'm going to do now is to add some drums. Loopers especially use a lot of breakbeat loops like this one. some old school vibes that add Let's add another one like this one. If you listen to loopers these tracks, you can hear this in like 80% of these tracks. It gives cool vibe to the break, and together with the vocal and the bass line, it sounds like this.
Big girls, big boys, everybody, rock your body, rock the party. Big girls, big boys, everybody.
Let's add some atmospheric effects like this one. And another one, which is a siren, I think. Really weird sound, but sounds cool. Now let's add some basic sweeps up and down like this. And this impact. And underneath this synth girl, I am also going to add some really glitchy kind of sounds from the Cashmere Volume 3 sample pack, I think. Sounds weird, but if you hear it in a total track, it sounds cool. And let's add another transformer effects. And yeah, that's basically it, how you make a stem cell break. It really isn't that complicated. Just try to be unique with your FX. In this tutorial, I didn't do any crazy stuff with the FX. But the end result is dope and sounds like this.
Big girls, big boys, everybody, rock your body, rock the party. Big girls, big boys, everybody, rock your body, rock the party. Big girls, big boys, everybody, rock your body, rock the party. Big girls, big boys, everybody, rock your body, rock the party. Big girls, big boys, everybody, rock your body, rock the party. Big girls, big boys, everybody, rock your body, rock the party.
If you learned something new from this video, make sure to smash that like button. Let us know which tutorial we should do next in the stem style. And there's also a really sick thing coming next week. If you want to find more info about that, make sure to follow us on our Instagram. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.